Hi, it's David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 The Realty Group, and I'm pumped to show you this exciting renovation located at 605 McInnis Street in Pembroke, North Carolina, convenient to I-95 and Fort Bragg. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, davidhomesforsale.nc.com. That's the number 4. You can also subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching, and you can change your video options to 1080p to see everything from this top to bottom remodel. Most of what you're going to see in the video is brand new, other than this brick veneer. Brand new windows, brand new roof with architectural shingles. Front porch here, some fresh landscaping. Another door there. New vinyl siding. Patio. This is the backyard. And let's go inside. And again, pretty much everything you're looking at is brand new, from the flooring, paint, fixtures, windows, kitchen, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, insulation, drywall. This is the living room and kitchen. Coat closet there. Very attractive LVP flooring. Pretty kitchen. It will have brand new stainless steel appliances soon. Granite counters. Subway tile backsplash. And here's a closer look. Everything looks really sharp. Quality work done here for sure. Sunken family room. Wood burning fireplace. Laundry / utility room. You can see the hookups there. And all this is heated and cooled. Door to the exterior. Down the hallway, 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths. First bedroom there. And the first full bathroom. Some tile above the tub. There's the vanity. Again, the bathrooms are all new. Flooring's all new that you're seeing. Second bedroom. And the last bedroom. And matching second full bathroom with the first. Tile again up to the ceiling. There's the vanity. You got to come see this one in person to appreciate it. Give me a call, 910-723-8888. to see this or any home for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoyed the tour.